we are discussing about the simple array. As I said for you yesterday that it was completed, but the very important two questions are there. What is that means? We discussed about Thomas Alva Edison, no? So how to appreciate him? That question always repeats in the exam. How to appreciate the work of Thomas Alva Edison? That is a textual question only which is given for you. We are going to write that one now. Okay, about the appreciation. You copy the question from the textbook. What is the question means? You have studied the story of Thomas Alva Edison. Write note of appreciation. Okay, that one. Copy the question from the textbook. The answer will be given here. That is, I wonder. So see here about the Edison. You have to appreciation of the scientist is very important. You may ask in any lesson, but in this lesson we are having about Thomas Alva Edison. So I wonder about the efforts of Edison in inventing the bulb, as he really believed the same. Not only he believed, we also, if we believe, we will get success. But in all the cases, we should not take that. Take that. Failures as stepping stones to success. So, if I fail, I will get success in life. So, always don't try to fail in your exams. That is, for anything you are experimentally or trying means you can use that one. So, here the teacher told that Thomas failed in his experiment number of times. So, if I also fail in class, then you will sit in the same class and your years will be wasted. So, for few things only you have to take this problem. Okay, failures are stepping stones to success. His inventions has become a part of the life of the entire mankind. Why? Because how many inventions he did? Thousands of inventions he did. Not one or two. He did thousands of inventions and at a time he did not get the success. Number of times he failed, but also he did not give up. You have to take that one. How many times we fail also, we should not give up, but we have to try and catch that one. So what he did means, without failing, he tried to catch that, develop so fast. Because of this, his inventions, he find no difference between the day and night. Not he also. Because he invented the bulb, okay, electricity. Today we are not sitting under the street lamps, or we are not sitting under the candle. We are nicely sitting under the fan lights and doing our educations. In olden days, the people, what they used to do, they used to sit under the street lights, or they used to sit under candle lamps. And so today we don't know what is day, what is night. We are enjoying our life. So we could use 24 hours of the day more efficiently. So, Edison's life is a role model for all the people. Did you understand that? The first point is we are wonder of him because of his inventions, because of his hard work. How many inventions he did? 1,000 inventions. Number of times he failed also, he tried to do it again. So like this, he did lot of hard work. We have to take the good from him. We have to take how much struggle he took, and we have to appreciate him and take the good qualities from him. Next one, we are going to write about the table. Go on with that. This is also in your textbook. I mean textual question. So directly copy the table what I am giving now for you. Question. Write a list of electrical appliances in your house. What are those? For what purpose we are using? This is also your textual questions. Try to draw this table and answer the question. So coming here, the table. Copy the question from your textbook. Here comes the answer for you. The first one is works with the cell as a source. What are the examples for this one? Works with the cell as a source. Second one, works with electric current as a source. Next one, works with both cell and electric current. So coming here, three, he asked what are the electrical appliances in your house. The first one is works with the cell as a source. Second one works with current as a source. Third one works with both cell and electric current. In that, the first one, the examples are next one. Next, coming to here. So please see here what are the examples you are having. Works with cell as a source, torchlight. Next, remote control. Remote control cars, bikes, aeroplanes, etc. Whatever you are having in TV remotes, you are using this all. So torchlight, remote controls, and wall clocks are working by using the cell. Next one, works with the electrical current as a source. What are those? Fan, light, iron box, water heater, rice cookers, induction stoves. These all work under the electric current. Works with both cell and electric current. Radio, then tape recorder, torchlight, then some other etc. So few examples I gave here. If you know more than this, okay, if you know more than these examples, you can write. I gave few examples for you. If you are thinking here I can write, I know some more, here I can know some more, here I can write some more, means you can carry on with that one. Okay, coming to the next answer here. List out the daily activities in which we use electricity. Where and how we use the electricity. This is also a textual question. You can copy from the text to the question. The answer will be given now. Okay. The answer for this one is where or what electrical appliances we will use in our house. This is a very simple answer, I think so. What we are using in our house. Electricity has an important role in our life. We use electricity in our day-to-day life in the use of appliances like torchlight, electric motor, electric heater, television, radio, street light, vehicle lights, etc. So see here, where we are using electrical appliances in our house. Electricity has an important role in our life. We use electricity in our day-to-day life in the use of appliances like torchlight, electric motor, electric heater, television, radio, street light, vehicles, lights, etc. In that etc. Whatever electrical appliances we are, like iron boxes we will use, rice cookers we will use, then induction stoves we will use, then charging lights we will use, our phones we will use. So these all will come under electrical appliances what we are using in the house. So electricity has an important role in our life. We use electricity in our day-to-day life in the use of appliances like torchlight, electric motor, electric heater, television, radio, street light, vehicle lights, etc. Did you catch the point? Tomorrow I will continue. Thank you.